Be the leader, not the follower. Life is a journey, filled with countless opportunities to choose your own path. Along this journey, you will encounter moments where you must decide whether to lead or follow, whether to take the reins or let someone else guide you. Today, I want to urge you to embrace the power within you and be the leader, not the follower. Leadership is not just about holding a title or a position of authority. True leadership is about influence, inspiration, and the courage to stand for what you believe in. It's about making decisions based on your values and vision, not just following the crowd because it's easy or safe. When you choose to lead, you choose to take responsibility for your own life. You become the architect of your destiny. You no longer wait for others to show you the way. Instead, you blaze your own trail. Leaders are not afraid to walk alone because they know that the path to greatness is often a solitary one. Being a leader means having the courage to take risks, to make mistakes, and to learn from them. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and challenging yourself to grow. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles and turning challenges into stepping stones to success. Remember, leaders are not born, they are made. Leadership is a skill that anyone can develop with dedication, practice, and a commitment to personal growth. It starts with a mindset believing in yourself, in your abilities, and in your potential to make a difference. As you go through life, there will be times when others doubt you, when the road ahead seems uncertain, and when the temptation to follow the crowd is strong. But in those moments, remind yourself that you are not just another face in the crowd. You have a unique voice, a unique perspective, and a unique contribution to make. So, take the lead in your life, set your own goals, define your own success, and live by your own values. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who challenge you, and who inspire you to be your best self. But always remember that you are the captain of your ship, the master of your fate. In the end, it's not about the titles you hold or the accolades you receive. It's about the impact you make, the lives you touch, and the legacy you leave behind. So, don't just follow the path that's already been laid out, create your own. Be the leader, not the follower. Because the world needs more leaders. The world needs you. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome videos. Your support means the world to me and helps the channel grow. Make sure to follow me on TikTok. Let's keep the good vibes going across all platforms.